all the animals go? The world as we know it keeps getting smaller. With each tree and branch we cut down in the forest, we're taking away where our wildlife live and play. So what will they do when there's only buildings and roads? Please tell me, where will all the animals go? When will we realize the damage that we've done to the earth and all living things since time has begun? We have so much to learn before we can turn this destruction around. The future of our wildlife depends on what we do right now. The future of our wildlife depends on what we do right now. Our marine life is slowly dying. We're killing off the bees that pollinate our flowers. Our glaciers are melting away where our polar bears they play. Oh, where will they go when there's no ice or snow? Please tell me, where will all the animals go? When will we realize the damage that we've done to the earth and all living things since time has begun? We have so much to learn before we can turn this destruction around. When will we realize the damage that we've done? When will we realize to the earth and all living things since time has begun? We have so much to learn before we can turn this destruction around. The future of our wildlife depends on what we do right now.